In this video, I'm going to discuss 12 tips and tricks for making the most out of Chrome on Android, updated for 2020. Chrome is Google's globally popular browser platform. It has tons of hidden features. Some of them can make switching between tabs quicker, improve your experience on shaky internet connections, or remove unnecessary functionality. I've uploaded many other videos about the tips and tricks of Android devices. The links will be in the description below. After this video, go to the links and explore them for your better Android experiences. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get this kind of video regularly. Let's start. Number 1. Enable dark mode. On Android 10, Chrome for Android changes its appearance to match your system theme, but on earlier versions, you can only switch themes by going into the settings. Tap on the menu button, select settings, then tap on themes. Switching Chrome to the dark theme won't just make the app dark, it makes websites dark too, as long as they have a dark theme available. There's also an experimental feature that forces all sites to be dark when dark mode is enabled. If you want to give that a shot, just copy and paste Chrome fashionable Android web contents dark mode into the address bar and set the drop-down menu to enabled. If you want to turn it off later, just visit the flagged URL again and set it to default. Number 2. Switch tabs with a swipe. The most obvious way to change tabs in Chrome is by pressing the tabs button and selecting the one you want from the list. But there are two other ways to change the current tab. You can swipe left and right across the address bar, or swipe down on the bar to see the full stack of tabs. Number 3. Try out Chrome Duet. Google has been working on an update to Chrome's interface for a while, nicknamed Chrome Duet. Instead of a single address bar at the top of the screen, Duet keeps the address bar at the top and moves commonly used functions to a bottom bar. However, Duet isn't enabled for everyone yet, so you'll have to turn it on with a Chrome flag. Number 4. Download pages once you're online. If you need access to a certain page, but you have a spotty connection, constantly tapping reload for a chance to get the information you need can be incredibly frustrating. Thankfully, Chrome offers a solution. Number 5. Close tabs more quickly. If you want to close your current tab without opening the tab overview first, there's a slightly quicker method. Hold down on the tabs button for a second, and a menu will appear with an option to close the current tab. Number 6. Tap a word to search for it. This is a simple feature, but it's not widely advertised. When you tap on a word or phrase in Chrome, the browser will display an info panel about whatever you selected. Swiping up on the panel will show search results for the selection. Number 7. Save pages as PDF files. As mentioned earlier, Chrome allows you to save pages to your phone for offline viewing. But what if you want to send the saved page to someone, or permanently download it in a format that can be read by other apps? By combining Chrome's share feature and Android's print as PDF function, this can be achieved without any additional tools. Number 8. Tap on emails, phone numbers, and addresses to use them. If you've used Safari on iOS, you may have noticed that phone numbers and other data automatically turn into links. For example, tapping on a phone number will open it in the dialer. Chrome for Android has a similar feature, but it's not as obvious. When you tap on an email address, Chrome will show a button to write an email in your default mail app. Tapping on an address can take you to the location in Google Maps, and pressing a phone number will let you call it in one tap. Number 9. Zoom on any website. In many cases, sites optimized for mobile viewing don't allow the user to zoom in and out manually. This can be annoying at best and harmful for visually impaired users at worst. Thankfully, Chrome includes an override in the browser settings. Just open the Chrome settings, tap accessibility and check the box next to force enable zoom. Now you can zoom on any page. Number 10. Add more search engines. Chrome for Android, like just about any other browser, allows you to change what search engine you want to use. However, not everyone knows that you can add options not listed by default. Performing a search on almost any site will make it appear as a search engine option. This includes alternative search engines, shopping websites, and many others. First, go to any site and search for something. Then, open the Chrome settings and open the search engine menu. Here you can change what engine Chrome will use by default. Number 11. Scroll through find and page results. When using Chrome's Find and Page Search, you don't have to press the up-down arrows over and over to go through results. Instead, you can swipe up and down on the right bar to quickly scroll through matches. Number 12. Manage notifications from sites. Sites can ask to send notifications to your device, but it's not always obvious how to take that ability away later. If you're sick of a certain site sending you notifications, you can easily stop them from Chrome's settings. Tap the menu button at the top right of Chrome, tap Settings, and select the Notifications menu. From here, you can toggle all of Chrome's types of notifications, including ones sent by Chrome itself, downloads, media controls, etc., and ones sent by sites. If you like this video about the 12 best tips and tricks for Chrome on Android device, please give a like and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you could get notifications of our future videos. Thanks for being with us.